Hello everyone, we are team Fst-Futo-Ng Nigeria. My name is Evaristus Eze, and here with me are
Gift Enyechi Onukube,
Rebecca Blessing Eweso,
Ufel Amarachi Egwim.
In this video, we shall be showing the steps we took in producing our Omamisense condiment.
Omamisense condiment used corn is a new flavor enhancer produced by fermenting combined seeds of some common legumes and oil seeds in Nigeria and some other parts of Africa.
Some of these common oil seeds or legumes include Pachyia bulbosa, Pentacleta microphylla, Glycine max, Citrulus vulgaris, Telferia ostentalis, and so on and so forth. However, in this video we shall only be showing the blends between Glycine max and Prosopis africana.
The first step in the production of Omamisense condiments used corn is the procurement of raw material. Now the seeds were purchased from Nigerian local markets.
These are the two raw materials for producing the blends. Here is Prosopis africana seeds, and here is the Glycine max seed for the production.
The next step after procurement of raw material is sorting. This aims at removing undesirable materials, contaminants, and damaged seeds so that the quality of the final product is not affected.
After cleaning is boiling, but before then, they are properly washed to remove dust and other possible source of contamination. Washing Prosopis africana seeds.
After sorting and cleaning is boiling, the raw seeds are boiled for 3 hours 30 minutes. However, Glycine max is usually soaked in water for 9 hours before boiling. This helps to reduce the boiling time and anti-nutrients. Generally, boiling aims at softening the seed coats for easy dehulling and also reduces the amount of anti-nutrients in the seeds.
This is the dehulling operation for the soybean seeds, Glycine max, and for the Prosopis africana seeds. The dehulling helps to remove the seed coats that will produce these whole seeds that shall be used for fermentation and subsequent production of Omamisense condiment. Now these are the dehulled Prosopis africana seeds, and here are the dehulled Glycine max seeds. Now after washing and draining, is weigh 80 grams of Prosopis africana seeds, and also 20 grams of Glycine max. Again, we measure 20 grams of Prosopis africana and blend it with 80 grams of Glycine max seeds. The combined seeds are now blended together. They're blended together in a clean foil to ensure even distribution of both seeds. Each blend is properly covered with aluminum foil. This is one of the blends. After wrapping it properly, they are now kept at room temperature for fermentation to take place. Usually the fermentation is complete from 4 to 6 days, and the product will be ready for meshing and subsequent drying.
So after fermentation for 5 days, the two different blends of Glycine max and Prosopis africana were merged.
After meshing, the two blades were introduced into the oven. for drying at 60 degrees Celsius for 80 hours. Now, after 80 hours of drying, the products were brought out from the oven.
And now, after the cooling and subsequent size reduction, this is what we have. The 80% Prosopis africana and 20% Glycine Max. And this is the 20% Prosopis africana and 80% Glycine Max, all in dried forms. From the beginning of the video, we've been able to show you the different steps undertaken to produce one of the umami-sense condiments, that is the Prosopis africana and the Glycine Max blend.
These same steps were followed to produce arrays of other umami-sense products in the paste form and in the dried form. The results of the sensory evaluation showed that the umami-sense condiment scored higher in sensory properties than those produced from a single legume.
Again, we are Team Fst-Futo Nigeria. Thank you for watching this video.
And here we prepared the flowcharts for production of the blend between Prosopis africana and Glycine Max, called Okpei Ogirisoy blend. The next umami-sense condiment is Oba soy, that is the blend between Pentracletra microphylla and Glycine Max, Ricinus communis and Pachyia biglobosa to yield the Ogiri Iru blend. And here is the blend between Ricinus communis and Delpharia occidentalis to yield the Ogiri Ugo blends. And this is the blend between Ricinus communis and Pentracletra microphylla to yield the Ogiri Uba blends. And here is for the blend between Pachyia biglobosa and Pentracletra microphylla to yield the Iru Uba blends. Citrullus vulgaris and Pachyia biglobosa to yield the Egusi Iru blends, all umami-sense condiments. Here is the blend between Citrullus vulgaris and Pentracletra microphylla to yield the Egusi Uba blends. Here is the blend between Delpharia occidentalis and Pentracletra microphylla to yield the Ogo Uba blends. And here is the flowchart for Okpei Uba blend between Prosopis africana and Pentracletra microphylla. And here is for Prosopis africana and Pachyia biglobosa blend to yield Okpei Iru blends. They are all umami-sense products. And finally is a flowchart for the blend between Glycine Max and Pachyia biglobosa to yield the soy Iru blends. These are all the umami-sense condiments in their flowcharts.